Imagine flying peacefully over a calm blue ocean. The sky is clear. The instruments are normal. Everything is perfect. Then suddenly, the compass starts spinning, the radio goes silent. The ocean below turns strangely dark. And within minutes, the aircraft disappears forever. No wreckage. No distress call. No survivors. Welcome to the most mysterious place on Earth. The Bermuda Triangle. A region where ships vanish, planes disappear, and logic seems to stop working. For decades, scientists, sailors, and conspiracy theorists have tried to answer one question: is the Bermuda Triangle a natural mystery or something far more terrifying? Tonight, we uncover the full story. The Bermuda Triangle is not officially marked on any world map. There are no warning signs, no borders, yet sailors have feared this region for centuries. The triangle is formed between 3 points. Florida Bermuda Puerto Rico. This area covers over 500 square miles of ocean. One of the busiest shipping routes on Earth. Thousands of ships and planes cross it safely every year, but not all of them make it out. Some simply vanish without a trace. The first recorded mystery, Columbus' strange lights legend, begins in 1492. Christopher Columbus was sailing across the Atlantic on his first voyage. One night, his crew saw something impossible. Strange glowing lights dancing over the ocean. The compass began behaving erratically. It no longer pointed north. Columbus wrote in his journal that the sea behaved in a strange and unusual way. At the time, no one understood what he meant. Today, many believe Columbus may have been the first person to experience the Bermuda Triangle phenomenon, and it would not be the last. In 1918, the U.S. Navy ship USS Cyclops departed from Barbados. It was one of the largest ships in the American fleet. It carried 309 crew members. It never arrived at its destination. No distress signal was sent. No wreckage was found. No survivors were ever discovered. It remains the largest non-combat loss in U.S. Navy history. Imagine a ship the size of a skyscraper, gone. As if swallowed by the ocean. Flight 19, the incident that made the triangle famous. For 5th, 19 for 5.5 U.S. Navy training planes took off from Florida. This mission was simple, a routine training flight called Flight 19. Everything went normally at first. Then the radio transmissions began. The flight leader sounded confused. He said, "Something is wrong, we don't know where we are." The compasses stopped working. The pilots could not tell which direction was west. The ocean below looked strange. One pilot said, "The sea looks white. We can't be sure where we are." The weather worsened. Fuel began running low. The last message ever received said, "We're entering white water. Nothing seems right." Then silence. All 5 planes vanished. A rescue aircraft was sent to find them. That plane also disappeared. 6 aircraft, 27 men, gone forever. No wreckage has ever been confirmed. This incident made the Bermuda Triangle world famous, and the fear truly began. In 1872, a ship named Mary Celeste was found drifting in the Atlantic Ocean. The ship was perfectly intact. The cargo was untouched. Food was still on the table, but the crew had vanished. Every single person on board was gone. The lifeboat was missing. There were no signs of struggle. No signs of violence. It was as if the crew simply disappeared into thin air. This remains one of the greatest maritime mysteries ever recorded. Strange compass behavior. One of the most common reports in the Bermuda Triangle is compass failure. Normally, a compass always points north, but in this region, compasses sometimes spin wildly or point in the wrong direction. Pilots report navigation instruments suddenly malfunctioning. Ships report electronics shutting down without warning. Imagine driving at night, and suddenly your GPS stops working, your headlights turn off, and the road disappears. That is what pilots describe inside the Bermuda Triangle. Scientists have proposed a terrifying natural explanation. Deep beneath the ocean floor lie massive deposits of methane gas. Sometimes, these gas pockets erupt violently when methane rises to the surface. It reduces the density of water. Ships lose buoyancy. They sink instantly. No time to send a distress signal. No time to escape. Planes flying above could also lose engine power. Methane reduces oxygen in the air. Engines fail. Aircraft fall from the sky. If true, this means the Bermuda Triangle may be a natural trap, a deadly gas bomb hidden beneath the ocean. Rogue waves, ocean monsters. Another scientific explanation is rogue waves. These are gigantic waves that appear suddenly, without warning. They can reach heights of over 100 feet, taller than a 10-story building. Rogue wave can destroy a ship in seconds. No distress call. No survivors. No wreckage. The ocean quickly erases the evidence. Earth's magnetic field is not perfectly stable. But in the Bermuda Triangle, scientists have detected unusual magnetic variations. These anomalies can interfere with navigation systems. Pilots may believe they are flying straight, while slowly drifting off course. Eventually running out of fuel over open ocean, never to be found again. Not everyone believes the triangle has a natural explanation. Some believe the disappearances are caused by extraterrestrials, the theory suggests. The region is a hotspot for UFO activity. Aircraft and ships may have been abducted, taken for study, never returned. It sounds unbelievable. Yet many pilots have reported seeing strange lights and flying objects in the area. Another theory connects the triangle to the lost city of Atlantis. Some believe advanced technology from Atlantis still lies beneath the ocean. This ancient technology may be producing powerful energy fields, interfering with electronics, causing ships and planes to disappear. Science has never proven Atlantis existed, but the mystery continues to fuel speculation. Perhaps the strangest theory of all, time warps. Some pilots claim they flew through strange clouds, fog that behaved unnaturally. Inside the cloud, time seemed distorted. When they exited, their clocks were wrong. Some believe the Bermuda Triangle contains portals in time, a gateway to another dimension. It sounds like science fiction, but the stories keep coming. The truth behind the mystery here is the surprising part. Statistically, the Bermuda Triangle is not more dangerous than other busy ocean regions. Thousands of ships and planes pass safely every year. Many incidents happen during storms. Before modern navigation technology, some disappearances were later explained, but not all, and that is why the legend survives, because some cases remain unsolved, and humans fear what they cannot explain. Why we are fascinated. Bermuda Triangle represents something deeper. The fear of the unknown. The idea that even in the modern world, there are places we don't fully understand. It reminds us the ocean is vast, powerful, and mysterious. We have explored space more than the deep ocean, and perhaps the greatest mysteries still lie beneath the waves. Final thoughts. Is the Bermuda Triangle real? Yes. Is it supernatural? Maybe, or maybe it is simply a place where nature is at its most powerful. But one thing is certain, the mystery continues, and as long as ships sail and planes fly, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle will never die, because somewhere out there in the endless blue ocean, another ship may be sailing toward the triangle, unaware that it may never return.